friends, I'm back in my basement in my makerspace and I'm going to show you today how to make a pool noodle boat. So inside your kit you're going to need, you have two of them, but I'm just going to show you on one, the two small pieces that were cut. You're going to need a straw, foam, and a paper punch. So what you want to do very first is you want to take your straw, and where the flexible, we call that an elbow because when you bend it, it kind of looks like your elbow. And you want to pull it all the way and cut it at the end of that elbow. Now don't throw that away because you're going to need it. And then you're going to take the remaining piece of straw and kind of cut it in half. So you're going to take the straw and you're going to wiggle it and push it down into the styrofoam. Now you're going to take a piece of your craft foam and do that diagonal again. Take the diagonal and cut it. And cut it right on that line the best you can. It always helps if you keep your eyes right on the line. Now, this is going to be way too big for this little boat. So what we want to do is go to the point and cut down to make it a smaller triangle. Now, I wouldn't throw these scraps away. I'd keep them in your pool noodle kit because you never know what you might need them for. Now you're going to take a paper punch, and this is when you need those strong hands, and you're going to punch a hole at the top, and you're going to go directly beneath it and cut a punch at the bottom. Now you'll notice that mine didn't punch all the way through. If you're really careful and use your pincher fingers, you can pull it right off. And so now you have the two holes. So you're going to take your boat and you're going to take the bottom hole and put it on top of the straw, and then the top hole and put it on top of the straw. So now you've created a little sail for your boat. Now here's where you need to talk to a grown-up. Maybe a grown-up will let you do this in the kitchen sink, maybe if you're taking a bath, or maybe they'll just get you a tub of water. It's probably best to take it outside, but on a rainy day you could do it inside. And you're going to get a little small container of water, whatever your grown-up says is okay, and you're going to put it inside, and you'll see that it already floats because of the foam. The foam is so light and filled with air that it already floats. Now remember the piece that I told you not to throw away? Here's the fun part. If you put it in your mouth and blow, you can see that, that came right out. No worries, we can put it right back in. You can make this boat go. So see the different ways that you can make it go. Can you make it go around the container? Can you make it go in circles? Can you make it go right? Can you make it go left? Could you have a race with the other one with a grown-up or a friend? Also, if you bought the maker kit, you'll notice your little maker notebook. I like to go back in when I'm done and write the date and what I made. So today I wrote pool noodle boats, and I drew it, and I even did some labels. I labeled the sail, the straw, and the noodle. In case someday I want to go back and do it again, I'll always have this cool little notebook that I can go back and figure out, oh look, when I was 5 or 6, look what I made. And so you might want to think about doing that. I have one that's about this big that I keep and I use over and over and over again. So I hope you have fun with your pool noodle boats.